Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this captivating tutorial, we shall embark on a journey to the complexities of adding and managing data within the realms of ArcGIS. Irrespective of your expertise, this meticulous step-by-step manual aims to be your captivating world of geographic information systems. Adding data. Now, we proceed to infuse our map with data. Click on the Add Data icon, and an interactive dialog box shall manifest. Within this sanctuary, you can peruse your computer's archives to select the data of your desire. ArcGIS boasts remarkable versatility by supporting various data formats, including shapefiles, geodatabases, and CSV files. Managing of data. The data is now integrated into the map. Yet, consider the prospect of management and modification. Behold, for ArcGIS 10.8 wields a potent arsenal of tools dedicated to data administration. You shall attain access to the data's symbology, labels, and explore attribute tables. Spatial analysis. You can perform queries, sort data, and make changes directly within this table. Beyond the mere portrayal of data lies ArcGIS's capacity for spatial analysis. Forging captivating visualizations. ArcGIS provides various options for creating stunning visualizations. Click on the Symbology tab, and you can choose from different styles, colors, and symbols to represent your data accurately. Preservation and dissemination of your endeavors. Your efforts have borne fruit, and now you'll want to save it. Congratulations! The fundamental aspects of adding data and administration in ArcGIS 10.8 have been unveiled to you. Bear in mind, perfection blooms from practice, thus, continue your odyssey of exploration and experimentation with this software. We gratitude for joining us on this day and invite you to bestow your appreciation upon this video while subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.